Hey yo man, you know who it is, it's your boy Luis, man. Today we got Little Caesars pepperoni pizza. I know it's been a minute since I've filmed, it's been over a week I think. But yeah, I got my beard done, you know, trying to look fresh for this YouTube game. So we got Little Caesars classic pepperoni. This was all like $6, man. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, yo, full pizza, marinara, and barbecue ranch was like 6 something, 7 something. Unless they messed up or something for the price, but yeah, so let's go in for a nice close-up. Look how good this looks. $6, man, you can't go wrong with this. Classic pepperoni, buffalo ranch, and a friggin' gangsta size of their marinara. It's a nice serving of their marinara sauce. So let's grab a slice. Actually, just gonna do a quick prayer. Thank God for this food and bless the hands who made it. Amen. Super quick. Okay, let's look. I've never had their buffalo ranch, but I heard it's bomb. And that's what I heard. So let's pick a good slice. Only thing I hate, man, is that they never cut. It's the worst. Nice Little Caesars pizza. Let's go in for their buffalo ranch. Yo, that looks bomb. Very nice flavor. Kind of tastes like Chipotle. And their marinara. I have a scar on my face. That's why there's like an empty spot. This is delicious. This is delicious. Kind of greasy though on the bottom. But this is the best sauce at Little Caesars. Man, bomb. I wish I had a napkin. Man, I was reading like Wall Street Bets. It's like a forum on Reddit, and there are 18, 19-year-olds who are taking their parents' money, like rich kids. They're taking their parents' money and they're putting it in AMC and BlackBerry, Nokia. But some person turned, I don't know, 100K into like 2 million, something like that, man. Some kid, they take their parents' money and they just invest all these rich kids, and they turned 100K into 2 million off in like since February, early February. It's crazy. It's crazy how much money kids are making. Mm. This is so good. This is worth $6. I'd pay $10. I'd pay $10 for this. It's worth it, man. You get full. It's actually bomb. It's really good. I love when the pepperoni is like crispy on like the edges. This marinara sauce is a 10. It tastes a lot of like basil and stuff. Hmm. See the bottom? It's like cornmeal. Has a nice like cornmeal like touch to it. It's bomb. Mm. I need to cut down on like white bread, sugar, because sugar, like, cancer cells like strive on sugar, you know. So this thing turns into glucose in your body. This white bread turns into glucose. Yeah, it's crazy. You cut down sugar, man, you'll see your whole health just like change. Anyways, back to the mukbang. Look how bomb this looks. Oof. Look at this HD, man. This is HD TV right here. Man, people walk by and look at me straight like, try to make a living here. You know what I'm saying? This wasn't fresh. This was in like their heater oven. Cause I got it and I went in, ordered, boom, right on the counter, ready for me. I mean, it was $6, you know. I don't expect it to freaking be like cooked by Chef Ramsay. I'm expecting $6 worth of pizza. You know, I'm not gonna eat the crust because it's whatever. There's no flavor to it. Nice ranch barbecue. Tastes exactly like Chipotle. Mm. Wow, really good. Last slice, wanted a bit. I could have marked some fries or something, or like chicken wings. But I didn't. Really good though. For $6, I give this a 10. You can't get a medium pizza and sauces. You can't get that for $6. You can't. For the price, the taste, it's a 10. Delicious. That was bomb, man. I enjoyed that thoroughly. You know what I'm saying? Excellent. Hit the spot for me. I loved it. Wow, Little Caesars, man. $6 like this. I didn't know it was $6. I thought it was like 15. Then I checked their menu. I'm like, yo, $6. That's it? Give me 100 of them. You know what I'm saying? You could feed a friggin' town if you want. A couple $100, you feed the whole city. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, see you guys next time. Because you know who it is, though, right? It's your boy, Luce, man.